All right, I think we're good to go. Welcome on in, guys. It's Friday. We're going to become Pytorch experts. We're working on our long short-term memory model. Right, that's what we're doing today. We're going to make it. I'm really excited about this. So I think we can get to the point where... Wait. Did we wrote out most of this. We didn't finish our full vectorization. We need to finish our vectorization. Let's see if we can get to that. So where are we right now? So we've got our training data. We've got our sentences. We're going to, hey, Bobo Bear, welcome on in. Yellow, good to see you. Happy Friday. It's the weekend. The weekend's happening. We're here. Whoa, how's it going over there? Master, you back? We are. We absolutely are. Bonarvid. Wait, oh, am I saying your name right? I don't know if I'm saying your name. I'm trying to say your name right. It's good to have you here. Welcome on in. We're becoming Pytorch expert. That's what we're doing. We've got our data. Oh, how's it going there? Abdurasula. Well, hi, Stephen Blum. Good to see you. Welcome on in. Oh, it's great to have you guys here. Happy Friday. So we need to vectorize. That's what we got to do. Got to convert our training data has to be turned into numbers. So that way our AI knows what I'm trying to deal with it. AI can only deal with numbers. That's all it is. It's a big number engine. And then we need to translate those numbers, into something that's what we call as humans, we represent as objects, right? So things like a hat or a cat or a car, those are all need to be converted into number representations. Hey, Proud by Core, welcome on in. Good to see you. Happy Friday. It's the weekend. We're made it almost there. We're almost there. One more day to go. And we get our Saturday and Sunday. And then we got to go back to work again. Hey, Bon Zoopy, good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Friday. All right, so we got our data here. We got our full model. We pre-built it. And we need to vectorize. So this thing we've got to do next. Okay, and we need to return our features and our labels. And I think this is really close to already what we need to do. Return features and labels. I think that'll work. I'm pretty sure. Let me double check though. We need to read this. So we have our data for element in for how about this? How about sample in data? All right. There we go. And then oh wait, do we need to do that? No, we don't need to. We don't need to do this. We're already doing list type comprehensioner. You're on the vector section in your Rust book. Oh yeah. What a coinky dink. Yeah, what do you know? That's actually, yeah. So vectors in Rust are just essentially arrays, right? They're arrays, and you can make slices out of them. They're just, as far as I know, right? Is there anything different? So I know in Rust there are arrays and there are vectors. However, you typically, when I've used Rust, always gone the vector route. You've always gone, yeah, it seems that way. That's what I thought. All right. So do we have everything we need? So we got our data. We're going to call it training data. So we've got data. So we got our dictionaries, our features, our labels, and we have our dictionary and our tags there. Bo Bear, you're coding and watching a coding vid. This is probably going to be a little bit confusing, so you'll probably have to leave. Hey, no worries. Sounds good. It was good. Great to have you here and stopping on by. Clinker Place, how's it going, Clinker? Good to see you. Hey, Steven, even Golang has arrays. That's true. Every language, it better. Not the slice. It has no slices. Golang has no slices. All right, Boba Bear, good to see you. All right, so you said slices with, let me see this, Golang slices? Does it have any? Whoops, well, it popped over here. Does it have slices? I think it should, right? Golang, a slice, is dynamically sized, flexible view of the element of an underlying array. Hey, didn't you say not the slice? Unlike arrays, which have a fixed size that's part of their type, a slice is a variable length and are the primary way to work with sequences in Go. No, Golang has slices. It's a dynamic sized array. Okay, all right, just double checking. I'm like, there's gotta be. It has to be. How's it going? Master, can you help me make a hospital queue with Node and React? Or like a triage? Is that what you're doing, like triage? We could. Like apart from slices, there's arrays in Golang. They're separate. Yeah, they're separate. Understood. Got to keep them on the right spot. Okay. So tell me about what you're thinking about with Node and React. Hey, I'm back with vengeance. It's Batman. How's it going there, Brave Batman? Good to see you. Happy Friday. Happy Friday. We're getting to the weekend. We're into the weekend. Okay, so let's get back over to our code here because I'm really interested. This is like one of the main like story arcs is learning to become a Pytorch expert. That's the main story arc here. So I think everything we need to do here, and I'm the Joker. Clanker Place. There you go. We get. Batman. Uh-oh. Your arch villain is back. Your arch villain. Hey, Loons. Hey, welcome on in. Good to see you over there. Happy to have you here. Happy Friday. We're almost to the weekend. We're like right there. We're right there on the weekend. Okay, so let me see here. I want to continue with this. We got our vectorize. Is this what I want? Is this what I want? Is it what I want? I think it is. I think yes is the answer. Tags, yes, for Y and tags. I think that's it. Let's return our vectors. Let's see it. Let's see what our vectors are. All right. Features equals, features comma labels. Labels equals vectorize training data. And then we print it out. We got to print it out, you guys. Print. Oh, wait. Hey, Bonzupi. Wait, where's Loons? Are you also on Twitch? Yes, we are. Yes, we are. Even LB on Twitch. Here we go. Right there. See, told you. Right there. All right, so we are also over there on the purple. Okay. Okay, so Loon's on Twitch. Yep, right now. Exactly. Hey, Ant. Thank you for clicking the hello button. Good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Friday. It's almost the weekend. We are becoming a Pytorch expert on this channel. That's what we're doing. We're learning all of Pytorch. So I want my features, and then I want my labels. There we go. Thank you for the hearts. Welcome on in. Kyle, is that you? Kyle. Are you in here, Kyle? All right, so thank you for the hearts reactions, you guys. Good to have you here. Let's bring this over here. Good to have you here. Happy Friday. All right, let's run this. Pytorch. Hey, Loons. Oh, you're here too. You're everywhere. You're all over the places. Good to have you here. All right. Let's bring this on in here. Oh, Bonzupi. Hey, Bonzupi. Thank you for the follow. Good to have you here. And now you're on both. Hey, now you're extra double following now. There you go. You're double following. That's great. Yeah, so we got a bigger screen on the other side. I wonder why type hints in Python haven't been made the de facto standard. Oh, yeah. You notice that I didn't do any of that. You notice in here, there's no typing whatsoever. I don't care. I don't care about it. I don't care. You could have type annotations, right? So is this what is this, array? Can we do that? Array? Is that a thing? Or a list? List, it's a list, there we go. Does that work? Can I do that? Hold on, full. Here we go. Do we break that? Oh, no, this is broken over here. So that part was actually working. Where's this at? Why is that not good? All right, we got a problem already. Minutes into the stream and we already have a problem. How's it going, Maran? Good to see you. Oh no, this is a Vim user. Shines too bright, I can't look. Yeah, we're a Vim user. And yeah, don't worry, we don't talk about that too much here. We don't like overcompensate for Vim. We don't. We're just a user. Bonzupi, you are trying to comment on the widescreen. I haven't been following you for 10 minutes over there. Oh yeah, so I can't get chat yet. Oh, okay, got it. There's a limit. You have to follow for 10 minutes. Okay, I didn't realize that was set up. You should add channel points on Twitch. Okay, with the rewards like TTS privileges. Oh, yes. Okay, good idea. All right, we might give it a shot. Anasazi, welcome on in. Thank you for clicking the hi button. Hey, Kyle, good to see you. I was wondering if that was you. How's it going there, Leland? Click. Thank you for clicking the hi button. All right, so we've got a challenge here. Something's a challenge right here. We need to figure out what it is. It says it doesn't like my list comprehension. Oh, it's actually because it's right here. Okay. We can take care of that. How about now? How about now? Nope, still not. Okay. That's gotta be an easy problem to solve right there. You stayed up all night coding last night, did you, Kyle? Nice. That's good to hear. You've got something special over there. Actually, really, really neat. Like, I'm being full honesty. Like, it's pretty impressive with what you're doing right now. I'm very excited to see where you decide to take it. And you spent like $50. Wow. Yep. Get those AI generators making those AIs for you. All right. So where is our challenge? It's got to be here, right? This is where challenge has got to be, right here. Well, let's do this. I'm pretty sure. It's got to be right there. You got to import list from typing library. No, we're good. We're good. We did a type right there. It's right there. Not a problem. You gotta go in 10 or 20 minutes. Sounds good, Loons. Happy that you're here. Good to have you here. Hey, Dina. Hey, it's Dina. Oh, yeah. Good to have you here, Dina. Welcome on in. Abdur Rasul, Stephen, I don't understand English yet. In the coming years, I plan to understand it. Live broadcast the most. Sounds good to me. Interesting part is that when you translate every sentence of a 1 hour live stream, it takes you up to nearly 2 hours to finish. Wow. Hey, Sam, good to see you. What's up, my friend? Good to have you here. Happy Friday. We're getting into the weekend. We're almost there. Yeah, I think I got it confused. Oh, Clinker plays. Don't, understood. It's okay. It's okay. We got our list. It's right here. There's a type annotation because you all asked for it. That's dedication right there. Not into the 3.8 yet. You can use list instead of list. Oh, yeah. Got it. All right. Python. Where are we at now? -- version. We are in 3.14. We're like near the very most recent, right? I don't even think 3.15's out yet. So we're on the most recent version, right? We're on the most recent version. Okay, let's keep going. I'm really excited about this. All right. So why does that not work? Why is that a problem? All right. Let's see here. See here as we oh no, right here, full. Okay. Vectorize training data X for X and data. Dictionary. Is dictionary defined? It might be that we need to No, it's right here. Look at that. Oh, I see what we're doing wrong. We're doing something that we're not supposed to be doing. So we need to do something different. Okay. So this isn't fully baked yet. This isn't full. Okay. So we need to figure this out. How are we going to do that? Let's see here. Personally, can't use Python without types. Oh, Maran, really? You can't? It's scary sometimes coming from the strongly typed languages like C and the likes. Yeah. Understood. We're comfortable, very comfortable without using types. Because even JavaScript world, right? There's no typing there as well. Seeing you code without AI is so cool. Is it Clinker Plays? We're having a lot of fun, sir. You code for a living. You live, or you live to code. Live to code, game. Live to code, game, Gev guy. C isn't as strongly typed language. Oh, that's right. I suppose it's you could do voids, right? You could do voids on everything if you want. You could. It's a typed language. You could say C is a typed language. You sure could. Okay, so this is, we know what the problem is. So X0 is a sentence. What we need to do is something a smidgen different. We need to, maybe what would be really nice to use here is NumPy, to be honest. It would be really nice to be able to use NumPy. We could potentially do something a little different though. So we have to normalize this. So let's do, see here, the JSON key doesn't exist, that's fine. So X0, we need to lower, to normalize, and then we need to split it, right? Split on a space. Will that work though? That's my question. Will that work? I don't know. I don't know if that'll work. I think that might not work. We're gonna try it. Okay. AI is taking away the fun out of coding. I know you missed Stack Overflow. You can still go visit. I went over there the other week. I went over there last week. I'm like, hey, what's going on? What's going on over here in Stack Overflow? What's everyone doing? Hey, why don't we go there now? Let's go to Stack Overflow, you guys. Let's go. Do you remember back in the day when we did Stack Overflow? You inspired me. Oh, nice, Anasazi. You wrote a new code for AI using NIM. Oh, nice, the NIM programming language. Wrote it in your AI. Second brain for Arlo. Oh, there you go. Nice. Are you training the model? What's going on? That's the plan, Kyle. Today, we will be training the model. Is Puppetum all Rust now? We are so close. We are so close. We're not full Rust yet. We still have a lot of C. We still have a lot of Lua. And we have some other languages that we might not port over to Rust, which is fine. It's not a big deal. The most important big high-scale items are all currently in C and Rust. We are almost done moving all that over to Rust. We're so close. We're so close, Dina. Stack Overflow is gatekeeping itself out of existence and will not miss it. I know it. It sure is, right, Bonzupi? Okay, you guys. Hey, Mark Lemon, good to see you. Welcome on in. Thanks for clicking the hi button. What's up, brother? Good to have you here, Mark Lemon. All right, you guys. You've never met someone excited to go Stack Overflow? Well, we're going to go now. Strap in, you guys. Let's make our way. Okay. StackOverflow.com. Wait, I'm logged in? I am so logged in. Oh, it's been a while, right? All right, let me log in real quick. 1 second, you guys. Let me click the login button. All right, 1 second. Okay. StackOverflow.com. Log in. Logging in. All right. Oh, we're logged in? Now we are. Okay, we're logged in now. Hey, everyone. Look at our old friend, Stack Overflow. All right, where are we at now? Oh, I got something in my inbox. What's this for? It's got a new AI assistant. AI assistant is now on Stack Overflow. Look at that. And a whole bunch of election things that I missed out on. Look at this. Our old friend Stack Overflow. June 27th, 2012. What? Why am I seeing... Is it really... Is this all archived now? 2008. It's so old. This is crazy. Just don't go port Go to Rust. Golang is close to your heart. Okay. All right. Sounds good. Don't worry. We've got some Go. We've got some Go. It's currently staying in Go for now. It's there for now. You actually never used Stack Overflow personally? I used it a lot, Bonzupi. I used it a lot. You don't know how you've avoided it for the eternity of your 25 years of doing software development? No way! Well, you probably were influenced in some way by it, right? In just some way. Sir, you are a veteran. Yep, 25 years, Bonzupi. You are a veteran. You are a veteran. Let's see. Let's see what else we got here. Where else are we? Let's go to the newest. Here we go. 4 minutes ago. Hey, you guys, there's still some activity over here on Stack Overflow. Things are happening. 4 hours ago, 33 minutes ago, 49 minutes ago. Things are happening. It's not gone yet. How to disable SSL and Sonar. Ah, all right. Shopify JSON LD email markup. What about this one? Resizing ZPL labels? What is that? I didn't even know what that is. Glue SQL, convert Boolean into integers. How to prevent this? Wait, you want to prevent? You're only 31 years old. You're a lifer. Yeah, we're lifers. You're getting nostalgic just looking at it. I know, me too. This is crazy. How to sync copy advanced custom fields. Grouping groups of staging to production without recreating them manually. I don't even know what's going on there. Stack Overflow C++. I'm recently new to Stack Overflow and C++ coding. Any responses? There's already responses. Look, people are still on Stack Overflow. Did you know about this? JSON LD is something which is rarely used in your opinion. I'm not familiar. I don't even know about it. Zergio, how's it going? Good to see you. Welcome on back. Almost time for Crimson Desert. You know it. Yeah, it's going to happen. It's going to happen. We've got it. It's ready to go. It's just sitting there. The controller is just sitting on the table, ready to be played. It's ready to be played. I'm going to click an upvote button. Hey, I interacted on Stack Overflow. Let's check out my profile from many years ago. Member for 15 years. Last seen this week. Visited 2,000. Look, okay. Here we go. This is how many times I've used Stack Overflow. See, I've got proof. Right there. I've used Stack Overflow a lot. 2,400 days I've used Stack Overflow. Hey everyone in chat, good to see you, Zergio. What is Crimson Desert? It is a sort of a Breath of the Wild with, what do you call it? With swords and, well, Breath of the Wild and swords. It's kind of like horse, knight and horse, right? Here, Crimson Desert. Crimson Desert game. All right, let's do some a quick little. So it's sort of a game where it's like Breath of the Wild, open world. You can run around. You get horses, and you have swords and weapons and bows and arrows. It's basically Breath of the Wild. That's all I can say. Hey, Night Hunter, crazy, good to see you. It's a video game, Kyle. Yeah, it's great. I'm a lot of fun. It's Breath of the Wild. It's straight up Breath of the Wild. You can cook food. You can ride a horse. You can fly. You've got a glider. It's Breath of the Wild. At first, I thought it was its own game. It's basically Breath of the Wild, and it's expansive. Like it is stunning. It's beautiful. So it's Breath of the Wild with improved graphics. Crimson Desert looks similar to Kingdom Come. It's like Kingdom Come Deliverance plus Breath of the Wild. Although that's kind of what Kingdom Come Deliverance is. And this one has magic though. This game has magic. It's really good. Do you like Arc Raiders? I haven't played it. I know what it is though. It looks stunning and scary with those giant robots. You kind of like Elden Ring? Yeah, like Elden Ring. One day when I have time, I'm going to get into Elden Ring. RD2D, oh wait, RDR2 mods. What is that? Yeah, RDR2 is a legend of the game. Hold on. RDR2. Do I know what that is? Oh, Red Dead Redemption. I played that game a lot. Yeah, it's essentially Red Dead Redemption without guns. Red Dead Redemption is really gun heavy, right? Yep, Red Dead Redemption. This was great. So I beat this game into its entirety. I played all of it. It was fantastic. It was fantastic, you guys. All right, let's get back into our code. Let's get back into our original mission. Is that gonna work? No, it doesn't. Okay, so we're gonna have to do something different here. We could do this in a way if we turned the dictionary into a NumPy. No, it's a dictionary though. It's a dictionary, so we can't do it that way. We need to have another loop. We gotta loop the words. So that's what we gotta do. We gotta loop the words. So this also has to be, we need another array here. Here, okay. And we're gonna have to do this. We'll say W for W in. There you go. There you go, right there. Here, I'll spell it out so it's a little bit easier for us to know. Word for word. And then I'm going to make it a little bit easier to read. Right here. Just a smidgen easier, not like a whole bunch. Right, a little bit easier to read. All right, there we go. List comp, good to go. List comp for 100, always have to use, make me feel funny. I know, right? I like my list comp. I use them a lot. I like my list comp. But they're a little bit more difficult to read after you're like, look at this one right here. Did you even think that one would work? Yeah, that one works. This dictionary comprehension right here, it is a wonder that works, and it does. You have low honor? Wait, you have low honor right now. What is low honor? Oh, in Red Dead Redemption. That means that you can have like, it's sort of like your, whatever your person is currently, like your standing, that's what it is. Your standing and your reputation. Yep. People always ask you about the RDR when they hear my name. Oh, Bonzupi, are you serious? Wait, Bonzupi. People always ask you if I know RDR. Is Bonzupi in that game? Is it? My real name. Oh, your real name. Okay, got it. All right. Understood. Do you? I have good reputation in Red Dead Redemption. I was a good player. I was good. I rescued everyone. I didn't like go out and pillage. I was good. I was a good player in Red Dead Redemption. Fully, completely. You've never played RDR? It's really good. The recurrent neural network has been your favorite part of learning about Pytorch so far, has it? It's great because it gives you some sequential stuff. Although I much prefer the filter approach with the transformer because I built it. I built it before, so that's why I prefer it. I have a bias, let's just say. However, we're going to focus on LSTMs right now. Hi, old man. How's it going? Good to see you. How are your grandchildren? If I had them, I would let you know. We currently do not have any of those downstream family. Banzupi, Micah. Oh, there we go. Okay. Hey, Susie. Hey, welcome on in, Susie. Good to see you. Happy Friday. We're almost in the weekend. You joined the right channel over here for some software engineering is what we're doing. Take a look at this beautiful dictionary comprehension that we've been. I'm proud of that one right there. Doesn't it look complicated? I know exactly what's going on, though. I can tell you. All right. I can't believe how humans went from banging rocks to creating fire to becoming Pytorch experts. I know, right? Exactly. Hey, how's it going there, Code Phantom? Good to see you. You're making AI, man. Long time no see. Good to see you again, Code Phantom. Yes, we are. We're working on LSTMs, long short-term memory models in Pytorch because we're going to become Pytorch experts. We need to learn all of it. That's the plan. Right now, we're doing vectorization, which is universal no matter what language you're doing. Hey, Susie, thank you for the subscription. Good to have you here. We're going to become Pytorch experts. Keep on checking our stream out here. What we're going to do today is we're working on getting our LSTM good to go. We just finished our vectorizer, I think. We need to run. Because right now you see in my code, my screen, we got some problems. We got some problems on the screen right here. A few problems. Software engineering's on fire. It's burning. Yo, bro, you're so chill, bro. Good. Thank you. Appreciate it. Good to have you here. Bias and variance trade-offs. We got those. We got those. We're working on it. We're working on it. Those bias and variance trade-offs, guys. You're making AI. So much AI. Steven, you have a plan? Okay. What's your plan? Tahiti, mangoes, and Pytorch. That sounds like a good plan to me. I don't know what that plan entails. I know the Pytorch part, though. Chill is not the word I would use to describe Steven. I know. Loud, enthusiastic, and friendly. That would be more accurate. Hey, there we go. Tahiti, where? Yeah, Tahiti. That sounds like a great place to go. How's it going there, Tony 4 area? Welcome on in. Make playlists to have good look of live. Ah, yes, we do have some playlists. We do. So Stephen Blum. Where are we at here? Is this one? Yeah, here we go. All right, so we do have some playlists. You click on our playlist over here. Here we go. We've got C basics, Rust blockchain, machine learning from scratch. We didn't use Pytorch. Pytorch AI game, where we built a game, and then we build a click predictor. We did AI. We did algorithmic trading, day trading with AI, and then we did some assembly coding. And then our biggest one is Rust by example. We got machine learning as well. And there you go. And there you go, guys. Full of the best kind of energy. Thank you, Kyle. Appreciate it. Hey, LSTMs. Yeah, Zergio. That's what we're doing today. We need a full AI course. We're very... Okay. We'll put it together. We'll put a monolithic AI playlist together. Because we've done so many streams on AI. So many streams. We will put all of them in, like, the ultimate playlist. You love the Rust one? Nice. That's a really good one. It's a really good one. I like that one too. Rust by example. Here we go. Check this out. We click on the videos here. Hey, look at who's at the top there. Wonder who that is. Yep, right there. Rust by example. Our playlist is number 1. Good to have you guys here. Okay, so let's get back to it. Let's get back to our LSTM. Let's make our way. We need to make this work now. So the problem, I know what the problem is. It's not a big problem. Okay, so dictionary. Yes, this should be fine because the word is in the dictionary now. Cannot use list as a dictionary keyword unhashable type list. Is it though? Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna remove this and we're gonna see what the output is. List. What line is that on? Config data. Is this our get item? Oh, this is our problem. Okay. My boy, Code Phantom. Okay, let's do this. So I see what's wrong. It's because this isn't a real, it's not a real, so name in self. Where is that? What line's that on? Do we have anything on 34, 37? Here, we're just going to return an empty list here real quick so we can do some debugging. Yep, there it is. Okay, good. Okay. Where is our, let's print this out. Okay. Oh, what, a word list? Word is a list, yes. A word could be a list, so here we go. Yes, all right, that looks good. Yes, that's correct. So now we just need to convert that into a dictionary. The problem is, though, our dictionary is not a real object. It's not a real dictionary. It's a pretendo dictionary. Because we're... Oh, it worked. Hey, it worked! Okay, well, I'm not going to pretend now. Now we're right. Hey, there we go. Okay. No questions. We're good now. Okay, so we have to repeat the same thing again for this, I believe. So let's see here. Let's close that out. What does that look like? Okay, so here is our labels that actually... Oh. Yes. So we also have to stack that as well. Okay. We need to do another stack is what we have to do. Okay, tags. So I see why. Okay. For tag, here was what we're gonna do. We're gonna say tag. For tag and tags, which is gonna be this. There we go. So that'll be the tag. We're gonna return tags, tag. There we go. Not to get any little confusing there. Y is defined. It's right there. It's right there. It's right here. You crave crayons for some reason, Susie. The crayons, like the waxy crayons. It's like a core memory. That's a core memory right there. All right. Let's see here. I want very much to make sure this works, and it seems that it should, though. Name Y is not defined. It's right here. It's right there. I'm looking right at it. It's right here for Y in data. We defined it. It's right there. Let me see here. Do we have to do something different? Maybe we have to do something like that. No. Yes. Yes, we have to do that. Okay. There we go. That better now? Is it better now? It's better. It's better. We did it. We did it, you guys. After 3 streams, it only took us a little while to prepare our data. Is Y a list of 2 elements? Indeed. It is a list of multiple elements, right? So you can see here's the actual data. Where's that actual data? Here we go. So you can see Y is right here. So this is Y. So it is a list of tags. So we got a list of tags, right? These are our classes. Right there. There's our classes right there. So it's a bunch of lists of tags. Okay. Double checking. Looks good. All right. Good to go. Good to go. Dandelion flavored crayons. Dandelion flavored crayons? Is that a thing? There's no way. There's no way that's a thing. Okay. I'm really excited about this. Okay, so now we vectorized our data. However, it isn't fully perfect yet because it's representative of a token value. It's not representative of sort of AI space, right? In AI space, it wants a number between 0 and 1. So a floating point number, right? You want a floating point number? This is a whole number. So we have to do a little bit more work here. It's a thing. Is it really? All right, we're going to look that up. All right, so dandelion flavored crayon. All right. Where are we at here? The dandelion crayon flavored is a banana mango scented flavored yellow ice pop introduced by Gel Certs Flavor Ice to celebrate the return of the popular, formerly retired, bright yellow Crayola crayon color. Oh, what do you know? What do you know? Do you ever use np.flatten? Let's try it out. NumPy. Let's try out some NumPy flatten real quick. Let's do it. All right, HS, since you asked, Python. Where are we talking about crayons? Over there on YouTube, of course. Over on YouTube. All right, so import NumPy as np. np.flatten. And now, can we just say np.array and say like 1, 2, 3, 4, something like that. np.flatten. Is that a function? It's not. np, is it, let's do a. Here we go. A equals a.flatten. Is that a, it is. All right, run it. Okay, so what we can do is I believe if we add some dimensions in here, right? So that should be fine. Why does it not like that? Oh, it wants it to, oh, okay. Everything's got to be the same. Okay, no worries. We can figure that out. There we go. A is that A dot flatten. There you go. There's a little bit of flattening for you. Just a smidgen of flattening. There you go, HS. What in the U.S. Marine Corps is going on here, Bonzupi? We are talking about all sorts of things. AI must be hallucinating. It must be. We got a little bit of AI in there. You can learn anything from the internet, but look what you're doing right now. Exactly. Full. Okay. So we vectorized our data. We're good to go. Now that we got our vectors, now we can start running everything through our model. So let's do that. We're on to the training phase, you guys. We're on to the training phase. We did it. We got our vectors. Okay. Yep. We did it. Everything looks good. And we already wrote this out, so we're good to go there. So let's let's make our model. Let's do our loss function, which are negative this is negative likelihood loss, right? Negative log likelihood loss. A lot of L's. So many L's in LLL, right? Stephen, your app has now fully functional escrow payment system. Really? Kyle. Okay. Just Google crayon eaters and you'll see what the U.S. Marine Corps comes to mind. Okay, we'll do crayon eaters here. Crayon eaters is a humorous, self-deprecating meme and stereotype associated with the United States Marine Corps. No way. Okay, so it originated from the U.S. Marine Corps. Okay. Sarcastically implies unintelligence. Crayon eater. All right, Bonzupi. I've heard about this before. I just forgot about it. That's why we're talking about crayons, loons. Okay. So we're going to do the negative log likelihood loss. All right, so let's do that. So let's bring up the next phase of things here. All right, let's get into our training phase. Training phase. And then we also have a to-do that we deleted. We're good to go now. We don't need to do that because we already did it. We marked it done. All right, so we need model equals our LSTM tagger. And then we need our loss, which is going to be NLLLOSS. Negative log likelihood loss. Fire music. It's the YouTube playlist. It's the YouTube playlist. Isn't it great? I like it. It's actually pretty good. I want there to be more songs though. Let's see here. Okay. Let's keep going. All right. So what else do we need? We need our optimizer equals nn.optim. Are we going to do SGD? Is that what we're going to do? SGD? What do they want us to do? It is SGD. Okay. Model.parameters. And then our learning rate. Learning rate will be 0.001. Usually, right? LR equals learning. There we go. Usually. Can you play SDD? I don't know what that is, Sam. What is that? Also, is it safe to play? Is it Creative Commons? Will it get a copyright strike? Right? That's what I want to know. Because we got to be careful. We have to be careful because they like to get their revenue from their music. They sure do. What is SD? What is that? Okay, so I think we're going to do... Okay, so we're going to have a much higher learning rate. A little bit bigger. Okay, there we go. Probably yes. I figured as much. All right, so we've got our loss, our model. Why do we have extra? We have one extra here. Oh, we got a learning rate. Okay. So we put it up here. Just gonna put it here. Learning rate. He's an artist. Got it. Yep. He's gonna want it. Check link share in Discord. All right, Bonzupi. Link share. What do you got here? Royalty-free music. Is it really royalty-free or is it like pretendo royalty-free? Because there are playlists that sneak in a song that was originally royalty-free and they changed the license and then, right? Is this all royalty-free music? Here. All right, we'll try it this time. It claims to be YouTube friendly. I think you might have opened up my world, Bonzupi. I think you might have just made the world a better place just now. Let's get some. Oh, so this is trending. We got acoustic. We got hip hop, positive, light, lo-fi, cool, reflective, epic, chill, dark. I'm going to permanently pin this. I'm going to pin this. This is awesome. Bonzupi, thank you. All right, we're going to try it. We're going to try it out. We'll see what happens. Don't worry, YouTube will let me know. The worst case scenario, we have to delete the video afterwards, right? Thanks, Bonzupi. Thank you. It's chill music now. All right. So we're first... Ooh, it's nice. It's got like some, a little bit of lo-fi and some intense like undertones there. So what is that, pan flute? They got a little bit of pan flute in there. The pan flute. You wrote a crazy song with AI. You have your one musical. Anasazi, the good news is AI generated music does essentially count as Creative Commons unless you put a license over it. Oh, Python still doesn't work? Okay, Rock VR, here's what you do. Python online compiler. Right here. Right there. You go here, and then you say, hello, Rock VR-original. And then you click run, and then it says, hello, Rock VR. There you go. You got yourself some Python right there. It can also work on your phone. On your phone, any system, any type. So it's called, just Google for Python online compiler. Python online compiler, and you'll find it. Oh, thanks. There you go. Yeah, it's the way to do it. You can't use Suno AI for commercial use. Oh, got it. Thank you, Loons. Thank you. For commercial use. Except what we're doing right now does that count as commercial use? Maybe it does. Maybe that does count as commercial use. What operating system does your laptop have? It's probably Windows, is my guess. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to run our training data through the model. This is the prepare sequence. So this generates our features and our labels, which we've already done. And then we're going to get our output. And then we're going to print the output. Let's see if it works. Let's see if it works. All right, you guys. This is 3 days of work. 3 days of work. All right. At torch dot with. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to define a new function called tests no train. And we're going to do torch.noGrad, I think, right? Yeah, torch.noGrad. We're going to use it as an annotation or a label, right? All right. What'd you say over there? I was going there. Bro, how are you coding while chatting with all of us? I lose my focus. Someone even knocks on the door. It takes practice, right? It takes practice. You can do it. It's called caffeine twice per day. Hey, you know what? It can be. You can try caffeine. However, I've decided I'm not drinking coffee anymore because I've had some issues with it. I drank a lot, and now I drink no coffee anymore. Just water. This is it right here. It's the only beverage for the rest of my life. Does that sound sad? Don't worry. I'm very happy. I'm perfectly fine with it. Here we go. So we're going to do model. Wait, we've got our features and labels. So features and labels are already defined, right? What can we do? I want to bring this up here. Let's bring this down here. Okay. This music is odd. Okay, I'm gonna bring these things over here. I'm gonna bring them closer. Let's bring them closer. There we go. All right. Prepare data. How about this? How about this? Let's do positive. Mindful. That's kind of low. I want something like upbeat. How about uplifting? That's sadness. That's sadness right there. That's not uplifting. Trending? True. What's wrong with T? Tea works fine too. You can do tea. I just do 0 caffeine. Like completely 0. If you ever want to spice up your water drink habit, you suggest putting a little splash of lemon juice in Banzupi. Nice. Good idea. Good idea. All right. Hi, buddy. How was your Friday? Hey, Gogol. Good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Friday. We're doing very good. We're getting in on the weekend here. We're going to wrap up here. I believe we are going to train our LSTM. It's going to happen. I think it's going to happen. Yeah, tea has a tiny amount of caffeine. Yeah, exactly. And I'm on the 0. I'm on 0 caffeine now. It does count, Loons. I think it does count. Yeah. So we will stay away from it. I want some like upbeat, positive music here. Let's see, energy level. High and very high. Oops. Free music only. Yeah, that's the whole point of it, right? Okay, let's try this. Slow life. What do you mean slow life? Dims. There we go. Nice. Okay. And our vocab size is going to be the size I'm working on satellite imagery and want to improve the resolution. Ooh. How are you going to do that? What algorithms are you going to use? Nearmit. Nearmit, what are you going to do over there? How much of the code was written by Claude? Nathan? Hey, none of it. 0%. 100% written by us on stream. Are you a vegan, Steven? Yes. Full-on vegetables. So you can be a good vegan or a bad vegan. You can eat Oreos because Oreos are vegan. If you eat Oreos, you're being vegan. Did you know that? You can eat Oreos and you're vegan. However, I don't even eat that. I just eat vegetables. So broccoli, cauliflower, tomatoes, carrots, sweet potatoes, like onions, and then beans, ancient grains, seeds. I do flax seeds. I have lower oxalates these days. Our music is getting very loud. Pop this down here. I like this though. I like this music. We're just gonna wrap it down a smidge there. Me too. You are Rock VR. You like mine with oat milk or almond milk and sugar. Yeah. Or nothing at all. Nice. All right, Nathan. Yeah. No steak. No steak. Mark Lemon. No steak. I know. Isn't that crazy? I couldn't get these larger companies to give you an API access, so you built their features. Oh, so you built their features. Might have wasted a bunch of time and need to roll back everything, but you think it's good. You know what, Kyle? I was thinking about this, and I was talking with someone, kind of not giving anyone your ideas, but talking to someone about like an adjacency. And to say, should you go full on and compete with all of those companies directly and just create your own thing? Like, why add your data? I'm being very vague because I'm not trying to expose it to anyone because we're live on the internet, right? We're live on the internet. You can build your own platform and have everyone come to you. Flax seeds are super good for you. They are. I love flax seeds. And they have no oxalates in them. Essentially, they're zero oxalate. They're like a free oxalate thing. So that's why I eat those. I was doing chia seeds, and those are too high in oxalates, and I had a problem with that. Yes. You've been vegetarian for 10 years. Hey, nice. You did veganism for a couple of years, and you had some serious health complications from malnutrition. Yeah, you gotta do it right. So I take some supplements, like the B vitamins and things like that, right? And I'm very balanced. I'm fully covered. I was very careful about it. Solo Deb? Oh, Zahir, you can't explain how lonely it gets sometimes. Your stream makes it feel like you've got a partner. I do. Todd Green, CEO of PubNub, right? So we started this company a long time ago called PubNub. And PubNub is a communications API company that allows you to build in-app experiences for multiplayer games and a bunch of other things. I like the multiplayer game aspect to it because I wanted to be a game developer when I was growing up. Sports and media, digital healthcare, telemedicine, e-commerce like live auctions, fintech with the stock quote updates for securities, call center with chat support, and delivery logistics when you see the car on the map coming your way. Lunch is here, you guys. Lunch is here. It's time to eat. When you eat flax seeds, oh yeah, Bonzupi, just perfect. I know, right? Got to get the fiber. What did they say? Oh yeah, that's what I did. Yeah, exactly. What? Oh, they said it was a good idea that you could go your own platform. Kyle, they think going your own platform would be pretty exciting. However, it's completely up to you. It's up to you and however you want to do it. However you want to do it, it's your thing. Make it yours. Do what inspires you. What started your veganism journey? I had some health issues and I needed to find ways to live or else, I wasn't going to live. And so I was trying to optimize my health as much as possible. And I didn't do it by, following any specific diet. I just went and looked at all the nutrition science and I fixed it. You guys. So it's true what they say. My cat was really not feeling well, and you fed it flaxseed at the vegetarian Allowing yourself to eat meat is when eating it prevents. We're doing good. Levi, we're doing very good. We're becoming Pytorch experts. Right now, we are struggling to learn how to make this work. So here we go. We've got our output here. The problem is quant researcher. Oh, Levi, for some of that, you'll probably get a lot of good outcomes from going to university for that. It's still a badge of honor, and all the information is completely for free on the internet. It is. You don't need to go to university to become good at that. However, if you want the structure and you want that environment, it might be good to go to university. It's up to you. My recommendation is, if you don't have anything else better, then think we know what the problems are and we know how to debug them. And once we get good enough at recognizing those problems and being we can overcome anything. And then we will be able to use the AIs to write whatever we want. Okay, that's a good reason, isn't it? I thought so too. We need human coders to audit the work of the AI so that the AI doesn't overthrow humanity. Bonzupi, yes, that would be nice to have that as a backup plan, right? It would be, right? Imagine one day. Today, our vibe coding, not only are we vibe coding where the AI is writing the code for us, they're also reading the code. They're reviewing the code for us too. And then we're going through and looking at the reviews and making sure that everything looks good. See, look at that right there. They're all 0. It just seems like a bit not quite what I was looking for. But that's for both sentences. And they are only doing one sentence, but they're seeing two outputs. They're seeing two tensors. I see one tensor, and theirs are 2D tensors, and mine's a 3D. Why is that? Why is that? But our number, we got the right shape though, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because it's the classes, right? Happy Friday, posted something in general. Nice, Jinlu. The junior-senior career path blurs further and further, sadly. Hey, Gum Bunch. Hey, it's good to see you, Gum Bunch. Welcome on in. Happy Friday. What do you mean about, what do you think? There are so many people who can use data science libraries in Python, but very few understand the underlying mathematics. That is true. That is true. We're going to try to understand all of it. We understand a smidgen of the mathematics because we've written some of this ourselves from scratch. So we get it somewhat. However, right now I'm seeing some weird output here. Let's try it again. Let's do 2. See what that looks like. Let's see what that looks like, you guys. That should work. Why is that not working? Okay. Features 1, right? That should be a thing. That should work. Index out of range. Index out of range on self. Huh. Huh. That should work perfectly fine. All right. Print len our features. There you go. So what is the deal? What's the deal? I'm actually kind of curious. Reduce that. Proper syntax. There we go. Hey, Gum Bunch. Happy Friday, everyone. No, that's Vim. Yep, we're using Vim. Yep, this is Vim. You got it. Vim. Here we go. Heart. And how do we do that? There is a. There we go. Vim. There we go. There you go. We're out there. Okay. So, why is that doing that like that? How about that? We get some dramatic using now. So why isn't it giving me anything interesting? Like, I want something interesting here. I want something interesting. Print tag scores. So I understand the output now. So the output is giving us which tags it thinks from a classification perspective, and then based on which word is the input. So, but are they both 5 on the words? Both 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 4 words. Huh. Here. Okay. Okay. Is that good? Is that good? Yeah, we're good. We're good now. Hey, Master, good to see you. Yourself working on the distillation models. Hey, very nice. Great. Great to see someone like you here doing something interesting. That's the plan. That's what we're doing. Master 1322. Good to have you here. Happy Friday. You get a program to trigger the F13 when you press a button. There are more than 12 function keys. Oh, that's true. I've got multiple function keys. You can see here. It goes 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, right? 19? Yep. We got 19 function keys on this keyboard. Okay. Let's try running this again. So that part works. However, it doesn't work. Here, let's try that. You know what? Let's do this. Let's do this. We'll keep that like that. And scroll down here. We need to go. We need to fix the labels though. So determiner, noun, verb, determiner, like that. And now wait. Determiner, noun, verb, determiner, noun. That's it right there. So this'll crack. This'll work, but this won't for some reason. For some reason that doesn't work. We don't know why yet. We don't know why. We're gonna find out though. We're gonna find out. It's possible to program using an Xbox controller? Is it possible to program using an Xbox controller? Yes, it is. I don't recommend it. It would be very slow to do that. Yo, why is your hair the second one, and I don't know why. Redstone in Minecraft is Turing complete. Is it? Can you make it Turing complete? Well, essentially it's binary, right? So it can be, right? It can be. Lava smelts 80 blocks if you remember correctly. Yeah, I love lava. Burnt kale for fuel. Yep, that's it, Kyle. During the burnt fuel for kale. For the fuel. We'll get some more prints going, you guys. Steven, by the way, Minecraft Java's latest snapshot now has a Vulkan renderer support. So does that mean like Vulkan renderer? What is Vulkan? Is that AMD? I thought it already had that. What do you mean Vulkan renderer? I'm actually kind of curious. What is it? Call tech support. I know, Mark Lemon. We got to call tech support. Someone made Minecraft in Minecraft using Redstone. I saw that. That was insane. That's crazy. Vulkan is a graphics library. Yes. So that's why I'm like I was like Vulkan is hardware agnostic GPU acceleration. Oh, like OpenGL. Oh, okay. Okay. Like OpenGL for yeah, exactly. I remember OpenGL. I did a lot of OpenGL. It's like OpenGL with more close to hardware. Basically 2 times faster. It's no really low level. It's low level. Got it. That's why. So you want to use Vulkan these days if you're going to be building a game. Or probably a framework on top of Vulkan, right? Because do you really want to primitively program your game using only Vulkan? It is also more loved. Is it just? It is? Oh, that's awesome. You used to use OpenGL? Hey, nice, Kyle. Really? That's awesome. going to not run this function.
I'm going to press this button and have a power up for a very short amount of time. I don't know how bright this is gonna be. There you go. Oh my!
Whoa! What? Hold on. Was it? What was that? What was that on this? Where'd that come from? Where did it come from? It's a retina burner for sure. Yeah, it is. Well, this doesn't matter because it's a class. Nobody cares. 1. See, it's broken. Right here. 2 and 4. 5, 6, 2. Oh, wait. Yeah, exactly. The famous caution, if it works, don't touch it. Exactly, Loons, exactly. We're touching it now, you guys. We're touching it because we want to figure this out. My Arduino IDE takes so long to compile for the ESP. Really? Why? That thing is so small. There's like nothing there. It shouldn't take long at all. That's crazy. This little thing right here? Really? There's nothing for it to do. Okay, so Quantify Quantum, thank you. Thank you for asking us. We're printing out the debug information, and it doesn't make sense. We're seeing it. It's the right value. It's correct. It just looks weird. Could it be this? Could it be this right here? Let's comment that out. I don't think it is. Okay. La. 1 index. I want to see. Okay, so that's 13, 1, 2, 4, 9, 12, 14, 10. Hey, Solo Bull Clips, welcome on back. Good to have you here. Happy Friday. We're getting to the weekend. We got it to work. We got our LSTM to work. The thing is, though, it was very odd the way it was set up. I'm just so confused. The thing that fixed it was not the thing that I thought was going to fix it, but it fixed it anyway. We're good. Why does the index jump from 2 to 4? So I think this is coming out in a non-order. It's coming out in a different order. Right? So what we could do is we could turn this into here. Let's do some debugging here. So let's actually do some debugging. Let me return everything to the way it needs to be here. And then we will print this out. This will be like this. So we'll make sure everything's in the right order. And then we will do index offset, and we're going to print this. Like that. Okay. So we're going to print it out. This will be our debug. We'll do our debugging here. And then I want to hide everything else. So I only want the dictionary. Okay, good. Okay. Let's see where we're at. You guys. Let's see what we got. It takes a few seconds to compile if you just use the command line tools. Oh, really? Yeah, see, that's what I was expecting. Like a few seconds, yeah. Okay. Bumping down the audio there just a smidge. Okay. Import numpy. Hey, Joe Brenton! Good to see you. Oh, Joey Barton. Joey Barton, good to see you. Welcome on in. Yeah, we're using, the flashing is fast. Is it? It's pretty fast. It's almost 1 month follower birthday on Twitch. No way! Is it, Loons? Has it been a month already? That's awesome. Any reason you're using that double quote in the split mod? Yes. Yes, because it's a sentence. It's a sentence, yeah. So this is a sentence, the sample is a sentence, right? So it's a sentence, and you can see the sentence is right here, or where's our sentence? Right here. So these are our sentences right here. So what we're doing is we're taking the sentence and we're splitting it by word. And then we're taking the index of the word based on our dictionary. So we're vectorizing it. So this is correct. That part's correct. However, what we're seeing that's weird is the problem. Print. Let's get rid of those. All right, there we go. Full debug, you guys. Full on debugging. Why empty though? Oh, why empty? Why is it empty? And why are we seeing that? You know, this is. Oh, wait. Remove. Build. Okay, there we go. Nice. Okay. Yes, this looks correct. Okay. Oh, see it right there. So it is giving us the right data. See? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It is doing right. It's doing it the right way. It's doing it the right way, you guys. Is that though because we are... It is... huh. We'll think about this. We'll think about this. Sup, bro? Hey, how's it going there? Welcome on in. Good to have you here. You were just wondering about that because of the default parameter already. Nerd alert. Hey, that's what we're doing here. How's it going there, Glory Needs? Good to have you here. You're just kidding. Hey, it's all good. We're nerds. Yeah, we're nerds. Hey, Soki. Good to see you. Happy Friday. We're almost to the weekend. Loons is almost 1 month. Almost 1 month on Loons. Okay. Oh, and Steven, could we add a new mode to subs? Like, for example, if the gap between word is small, they are put together. Oh, double it up. Yeah. So the thing is, though, sometimes I say very long words and it gets truncated. Onomatopoeia. It gets pretty long, right? So, like, it's a problem. It could cause problems. So that's another thing that we have to deal with. It's not like it's insurmountable. We could fix it, right? Pretty new to coding. How Glory Needs? What we're doing here is we're becoming Pytorch experts. That's what we're doing. Solo Bolo Clips. Essentially, I'm saying you could run split. Oh, without it. No, the default with split is a comma. It's not a space, right? So in Python, check this out. So if you got a string right here, you say, hi, how are you? You say split. It's not going to... Oh, you're right. It does work. I'm thinking of JavaScript. Okay. What about this? What about this? Wait. No, all right, you're right, Solo Bolo Clips. I'm like, oh, you can't do that. What if we do split like this? So the default in Python is spaces. All right, Solo Bolo Clips, since you did it, you got it right. All right, here we go. Colon, %s, / quote, space, quote, / nothing, G, boom. There you go. There you go, Solo Bolo Clips. Thank you. Hey, it's better now. I like that. All right. Good job. A+, Solo Bolo. You did it. Good job. You're printing the link before calling the function that fills it in, maybe? That could be the case. Well, so we're getting close. We're getting close to finding the core of the issue. Glory Needs, let's go. I know, let's go. It's Anasazi. You meant to say on your PC, numpy gen from data text. Try that. Oh. Anasazi. It's Anasazi. Oh, hey. Data.text. I don't know where that would be used for. Okay. Thank you, Solo Bolo Clips. That was great. Are you using OBS for streaming? Yes. Got some OBS right here. We got our OBS for streaming. We can probably increase the height and lower the font size. And then buffer would need to be bigger. Yes, Quantum, exactly. Currently learning Pytorch in class, and our task is to make a small net to solve a 3-class problem. Can you do a fully connected layer and then non-linear? Yeah, exactly. And then you've got your FC layer again in the forward feed. Yes, Soki, yes. You described the full model. You described it all. That's exactly what you do. How do you get subtitles? How's it going there? Devaluated. Welcome on in, Devaluated. Good to have you here. Happy Friday. My subtitles are open source. I wrote this many years ago. As you can see here, 8 years ago now. It allows you to get live subtitles on your videos. They are open captions. They are only I can turn them on and off, right? That's what that means. He built them himself. Yep, right there. It's on our Discord. And I give you a whole bunch of options and formats and styles that you can use to make it pretty. You can do NanCat, right? You can get NanCat in there. Got a nice, pretty NanCat. You can do it like closed caption style, right? There's a bunch of other patterns in here. There's a rainbow one if you want. And it just goes on. A lot of different options. There you go. Yep, just check on our Discord if you want. If you want to add that, it's under our link share. Right here. There you go. That's great. Devaluated, yeah. All right, you guys. Let's get back to our coding. We've got a few minutes left here. Okay. You sent something in general? All right, since we are on topic in Discord already, let's go over to general. What do you got? What's going on here? Oh, that's your compile time. Okay, got it. How's it going there, Mario Srini? How's it going? Hi, good to see you. Happy Friday. We are getting our Pytorch on here. That's a very long compile time. Is that Arduino Studio? Is that Arduino Studio? It was the space. Wow. Was it? It might have been. I don't know. We're gonna find out. 5x compilation speed. That is just very slow. That is very slow. Arduino IDE. Yeah, I was recognizing it right there because of the teal. Is the teal color that gave it away. Okay. There we go. Thank you, Syllable Eclipse, again. So we simplified some of our code there. All right. So we need to see why our dictionary comprehension is giving us some very odd outputs. Okay. So this is correct. That all looks good there. I'm very happy about that. This we need to see here. We need to see here. So let's do RM and Python full. There we go. Okay. So here we go. This looks correct. That algorithm right there looks correct. Offset is 0 because, right? And the offset's going to be 4 because we added 4 words and then we added 4 more words as far as I can tell. So the offset will be 8, right? And then we're adding 1 final word, which is, what is 2? 2 plus 8? It's going to be 10. Does that look correct, though? Yeah, because the offset will be 8. Yeah, okay. So that will be 10. So let's look at the final values. Let's add them together. Let's go to final values. Let's do index here. And we'll go plus. And then we'll wrap this as a tuple so it's a little bit easier to see. There we go. Loop code. How's it going there? Mario Srini. Yep. Oh, wait. Mark John. How's it going there? Good to have you here. Oh, Quantified Quantum. What'd you say there? You wondering, does PubNub has a Unity SDK? Yes, we have a Unity SDK. Godot? I don't know. Although, what is Godot? So we have a Python SDK, right? Godot language is Python, right? Is it Python? I think it's Python. Is it? Supports several programming languages. Oh, okay. What is it mostly in? Oh, C#. Okay, so we have the C# SDK. We have the C++ SDK. Yes. So we support those. I don't know about GD script, though it's not hard. C#, there you go. Primarily GD script. So we could, although we need to add a networking layer in there. How to hide the chat in the stream so that I can see the stream full screen, Mario Srini? There is a button. There's triple bars or triple dots. Kyle, I saw your text there. I need to get to your text. 1 second. I'm going to show you guys what to do here. There we go. So see on your phone, you're going to click the triple bars. It's kind of hard to see. Click right there. Triple bars brings up a window here, and then you scroll, and there's a little button right there, and you click that, and that will turn off the live chat, so that way you can see the text a little bit easier. There you go. Easy peasy. Okay. Kyle, what'd you say over there? You've been wondering. Oh wait, no. Was your old AI repo an LSTM? So this is my first LSTM. I've never done one. I've never done an LSTM before. I've done filters before, convolutional neural network style, and a transformer. We will do those later, though. It has its own Python-like language. Godot, yes, exactly. GD script. Okay. Let's bring back our code. So we're seeing everything that we want to see. We're seeing it the way we want to see it. Oh. Yo. Hey now. Hey now. Okay. There we go. So that's our combined value. So yes, it should be 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. That should be it right there. That's the way it should be. Is it getting overwritten in a way, though? It could be. I don't know. Is that because our first, this is it right here. That's it right there. I found it. I figured it out. The answer is in front of us the whole time. There's two words that are the same. Right here. Right there. Right here. Right there. And right here. That's it. One word overwrites the other one. That's why we've been having a problem. So we need to do one word at a time. That's the way we fix our algorithm. One word at a time. We figured it out, you guys. I'm pretty sure that's the answer. That's it. Use a hash. The hash will be the same though. It's the same hash, right? And we're normalizing, even though right there, right? I know we could. So this is why the problem is. Wow, Elo, I know, right? Isn't that a hard problem to see right there? Right there. Those two words. So that's why. I just realized it. Because it's getting overwritten. The word is getting overwritten. Okay. Maybe. I might be wrong. Actually, I still could be wrong. I still could be. Do dogs even like apples? They do in Breath of the Wild. You remember Breath of the Wild? You can feed dog apples. You totally can. Have you ever used the zip function in Python? I have, although I don't ever need it. Right? Zip. There's a zip function, which I think is like zip 1, 2, and then 3, 4. Zip list. EEE. There you go. I don't know what you'd use this for. I don't know why you'd use it. What does the zip function do? It's supposed to merge lists, right? I thought that's what it's supposed to do. Yeah. Oh, look at weird. Yeah, I don't know what it's doing. I know about the zip. I never used it. I've never needed it. Fair enough. Yeah, put in some code in the link share. Oh, you did, Jinlu? Okay. Something you made recently. What did you got? An empty code repository. All right, there we go. Oh, MIT license. Okay, so source copy desktop.py. What is this? All right, let's look. Let's take a peek. What do you got going over here? Tile mirror, Android screen mirror, default screen, screen copy manager, subprocess command capture. I would like to see that code. Where is that here? Capture output. Text true, shell true. Okay. Get display, retrieves current active display IDs. So you see which monitor, right? You got multiple monitors there. Cleanup removes virtual displays. Check requirements. Oh, it's for copying the screen of your Android phone. Is it? Is that what this is? Ensure ADB and source copy are installed. So source copy in Android. And you're going to run this as a subshell, right? Okay, start. Check requirements. Something about audio. Desktop mode. Create virtual display. ABD shell settings to global. That's what I thought. I don't know. We're going to find out. It's a source copy wrapper that adds a desktop parameter to add a virtual display and invoke desktop mode. What's a virtual display? What would you virtually display? Thank you for the party poppers. What do we? Oh, so here's your command. So you're using source copy with a 4 million. Is this like a resolution pixels? Keyboard window and max frames per second. To unlock a mouse. So what is the source copy command? Is a powerful command line tool for mirroring and controlling Android devices via the USB. Essentially commands to include reduce resolution for performance, record the screen. Oh, nice. So use ADB to connect, and then you can use source copy to capture your Android's screen. That's what you thought. Loons, you got it right. Nice. All right, you guys, let's see. We don't have much time left here. So I would like to organize their code so that way we get it in a partially working state. So that way, I'll post a video real quick with the desktop parameter. I'm actually getting curious about that. Okay, so let's update our program here to go word by word for word in sample 0. We're going to do one word at a time. So we need to do this, I think. Let me think about that for a second. We need to do one word at a time. Here, actually, we got to move this up here. Right here. Okay, yes. This needs to go here. Like that. We're going to indent this. This is not exactly... Do I want to do it differently than this? I think so. You know what? We're just gonna make it work because we're out of time. Let's see here. So, can we keep this here though? And also, this is no longer a dictionary comprehension, right? So we need to do it one word at a time. So we're basically eliminating our dictionary comprehension, which makes me sad. If word in, continue, dictionary.update, and then we've got our... Is this correct? Yes, this is correct. Okay. That would need to be... That's it right there. Right there. Okay. So let's try this. Let's see if that works. Okay. All right. Then we need to print out our dictionary. Make sure we got a good dictionary. And did we get it right? There we go. It was the problem the whole time right there. All right. It's not the way I wanted to do it, but it's fine that we ended up that way anyways. We did it, you guys. Party poppers. Thank you. Appreciate it. Good to have you here. All right. So let's get the rest of this testing out and make sure that everything is working now. Let's make sure it works. Let's make sure it works. It's working. It's working. It's working. Let's do the full blend. Let's do it the full forward. There we go. There we go. We did it. We did it. The only thing is, though, it's returning 0. Why is it returning zeros? Why? Why is it returning zeros? Let's try this. All right. So is it returning zeros on the log? It is. Okay. So this is giving us a problem right here. We did it. We figured out what the offset was, and it was because of the duplicate in the first sentence, because it had it. You sent it in general. We did it, you guys. We did it. All right, so now this is the last problem right here. We got to figure this out to do right here. We got to figure this out. For some reason, there's less noise, although it might be more noise. How about that? That's more chill. Okay. We did it, you guys. We did it. Oh, that's so great. Okay, so we have one last thing to do here. And that is getting our output non-linear function working properly. I meant nice. Hey, Sergio! Nice! Yeah, nice! You remember basketball? I remember basketball. Check out in general. All right, Jen, let's check it out. Let's check it out. We did it, Kyle. Wild, I know, right? That's crazy. All right, let's check out what Jen did here. Is this right here? Some crazy man made bad apple in the terminal. In the terminal? That's not the one. Did you put it in link share? Oh, this doesn't play. There's nothing there. Okay, no, that's someone else's. Check out general chat. Oh, I was in the wrong spot. Okay. Let's see here. Are you saying anything? I don't know. What's happening? It looked like you just scrolled through some web pages. What did you do? What was that? You were running this on your phone and getting streamed to your PC. Oh, this part right here? That looks like a web browser to me? Wait. I don't understand. I'm missing something. I'm missing something, Jinlu. It's a pop vibe. Yeah, got the pop vibe. How's it going there, Chitteroo? Chitter Royal. Hey, Chitter Royal. Been a while. Good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Friday. It's Brave on Android. Oh, no way. Really? Fashion Imness 1-channel grayscale, but your image shows expects 3-channel. Oh, yes. Anasazi, are you like 2 weeks behind? We did that like 2 weeks ago. You used a screenshot with Copilot. Oh, okay, yeah. It's from color, and that's why. Yeah, you ran on your phone web browser. Okay. Okay. That's pretty neat. I didn't know you could do that. I didn't know you could do that. Okay, so let's do this last thing here, you guys. We're going to wrap up for the week, and then we'll be back on Monday. We're not done yet, though. We're not done yet. Let's do this one last thing here. We need to figure out why our output is getting weird values. Why is it doing that? Let's go back to our model up here, our model reference, where we're using negative log likelihood. Where is that at? Is that here? Here we go. Tag space. Oh! No, that's fine. Okay, so we've got our output. We've got a tag space, which is the output from the hidden layer. And then we're going to run an activation on top of it, and it should be perfectly fine. Is it because of our dimensions? Let's see if let's change the dimensions. Let's go dimension 0. There we go. Okay. Yeah, our input's a little bit different. Can we do this though? This is what I'm curious about. Can we do this? Can we go like that? And then print the out. Can we do that? I'm curious about this. Can we do this? This is what I was expecting. Okay. How about this? How about this? Nope, doesn't want that. Doesn't want it. Okay. What if we bring this back up to 1 now? There we go. There we go. W for the win. I'm going to count it. I'm going to count it as W for the win. Okay. So there's something odd with our model setup. It could be something with the tutorial. We've seen it before. We've seen the bugs in the tutorial before. We sure have. However, there's a slightly better video to show off in general. All right. Sounds good. Let me double check. Okay. Are we back to normal? Yep, there we go. There we go. Now we're back. Now we're back to it, you guys. Now we're back. Perfect. And let's even do our third sentence as well. Let's make sure. Let's make sure. No! No! I wanted it to work. Okay, the third sentence has a problem. We're going to have to figure that out later. Actually, it's probably fine. It's probably fine. Because we're following along in the tutorial now. And the input size is probably pretty fixed. So there we go. It's all negatives though. Is that what we got here as well? Negatives in our score on the output? Yes, it is. They're all negatives. Okay. There we go, you guys. We did it. We did it. Ben. Good to see you, Ben. Welcome on in. W for the win. We succeeded. Okay, so we did a forward pass. So we did the forward pass. Eyes for Gaming. Welcome on in. Happy Friday. We're getting the weekend. All right, Jinlu, let's check this out. Here's a better example. Okay. See, the thing that's confusing to me is it's a full screen. Oh, this is Android. Got it. Hey, all right. Hardware info. So this is the Android. Okay, so this is basically you're taking your phone and you're bringing it into a big screen. You're using this as an external monitor. Is that where that's basically what you're doing? Very nice. Nice, Jinlu. Exactly. Nice. It's also bugged. Is it? It looks good to me. And link share, please. The link share? Oh yes, link share. Okay. The sound is bugged. Okay. Oh, it does. It's not running. Try this. It's not loading. It's not loading, Loons. What's the wheel? What's the deal? Sad. Yeah, it's just like it's 0. It's not playing. It's not playing. Anyways, all right, you guys, we had a lot of fun today. If you see the Discord there, yeah. Have a great week, you guys. Thanks for learning experience. Yeah, we had a lot of fun. We figured out all of our input data. It seems to be matching the tutorial now. And I want to be able to have different lengths of sentences, right, when we're inputting that data. I know it's not working, Loons. I don't know what the deal is. It's just not working. If you post the video directly instead of a link, you got to post the video directly. Bye. All right, Loons. That sounds good. Yeah, we're wrapping up now. We had a lot of fun today. Well, we'll be back on Monday, and we will start the training process for our LSTM. Since now that we've got the data on the output, it does seem like we need to figure this out here. No, we figured that part out there right there. We figured it out. Party poppers, you guys. Party poppers. Oh, we did it. Normally, the HDMI adapter would do it. It's a 60 megabyte, and Discord doesn't upload it. Got it. 60 megabyte. A little too big. A little too big, maybe. All right, you guys had a lot of fun today. We'll be back on Monday. We'll be doing more Pytorch. We're going to become Pytorch experts, you guys. We're going to do it. That's why we struggled today, so that we remember it. You got to have that struggle. The struggle is what makes you remember. It's the learning process. All right, see you, Steven. All right, Jinlu, good to see you. Kyle, good to see you. Have yourselves a good week. And Bon Zupi as well. Loons, good to have you here. Zergio, Eyes for Gaming. Ben as well. Scrolling up. Joey Barton, good to have you guys. Chitteroyal, good to have you guys here. Had a lot of fun. Buying Nitro to publish it. All right, the GitHub. Yes, let's do the GitHub real quick. We'll get everything here. Git add, git status, git commit, am fixed, vectors. We fixed the vectors. We fixed the vectors, you guys. We fixed it. Push done. Boom. On the way. We made it. All right, you guys. Had a lot of fun. See you guys on Monday. Back with more Pytorch. It's working now. We did it. Bye, everybody. Have a good one.